your basic average girl, and I'm here to save the world. You can't stop me 'cause I'm impossible, 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 impossible,
So what's the sitch?
Call me, beat me if you wanna reach me.
You make my life sound like cake.
Let's see, you're smart, athletic, pretty, and popular. Sounds pretty cakey to me.
Okay, flip mode. Playing video games, watching wrestling, and downing snackage. It must be brutal being you.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl AmandaEnsing, and today we are transforming into Kim Possible. This brings back so many memories. Like, it's so nostalgic. Like, I'm just like, oh, like I remember growing up watching Kim Possible, like the movie A Stitch in Time, watching this show, like, oh, it brings back so many good memories. And I wanted to do something iconic this year, so I was like, I've never had red hair before. I know I did Poison Ivy a few years ago, but I feel like it was a different red, but like, I dig it. This look is so easy. That's what I love about it the most. The only thing you probably need to buy would be a wig and contacts, unless you already have red hair. I already have the black shirt. I have a little black fanny pack and some olive pants. Y'all know I already had some olive pants and some black boots, and we are ready to go. The makeup is so easy. You're gonna see it in the tutorial. Seriously, I hope you guys love it. I hope you're obsessed with it. I'm obsessed with it. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you like it. Hit subscribe if you haven't. And if you wanna see me transform into Kim Possible, then just keep on watching. Call me, beat me if you want to reach me. Hey guys. Okay, let's get started. So start by priming your skin. Any primer will do. It just makes sure your makeup will not budge. For my foundation, I'm using a full coverage stick foundation, and I'm also going a few shades lighter than my skin tone, and I'm buffing it all out with a foundation brush. Taking a foundation a few shades darker, I'm gonna contour. She doesn't really have much contour in the cartoon, but I don't wanna look like a ghost and look super flat, so I'm adding a little bit of definition. So now I'm gonna conceal. This color is pretty much the same shade as my skin, so I'm gonna highlight and conceal anywhere I normally would, under my eyes, on my eyelids, on the sides of my nose, just to make sure our skin is flawless. And then I'm gonna set everything with a translucent setting powder. I mean, Kim Possible totally baked in high school, right? After I set my concealer, I'm going to dust off all the excess powder. I just love Elsa. I don't know what that was, but anyways, I'm gonna take Hoola bronzer from Benefit. So I'm gonna use this on my eyes for a little bit of crease definition, also all over the eyelid. You have to remember she was in high school, so I'm guessing her makeup was pretty natural, but this is going to brighten up the eyes, warm up the eyes, and add a little bit of a look, you know what I'm saying? And I'm also using this bronzer as my contour later, so we're just gonna multitask. Kim Possible's eyes are very round. They're not winged, they're not cat eye, they're not wide, they're very round. So I'm taking a black eyeliner. I'm gonna go in my upper waterline, which is the weirdest feeling in the entire world if you've ever done it. It's so uncomfortable. I'm also going in the lower lash line, so all around the natural shape of my eye. This is gonna make your eye look a little bit smaller, but it also makes your eye look rounder. Going back to the bronzer, I'm gonna add some on the lower lash line with a fluffy brush. Now I'm going to take a black eyeshadow to set that liner on the lower lash line, but also apply it on the upper lash line really close to my lashes. You know how in a cartoon their eyes are drawn with black, so I really want to emphasize all around my eye with the black shadow. For the brows, hers are actually black, but I'm gonna make mine dark brown. So I'm taking a pomade, so they're very structured, very defined. I'm gonna make the end of the brow very straight and then angle the inner part of the brow inwards to give that expression that she normally has on her face. Kim Possible has some defined brows, okay? All right, now we're gonna curl the lashes and add some mascara. You can totally stop at mascara. You don't have to add false lashes, but I'm gonna go in with some more natural looking lashes. They're very wispy and I love the way that they looked. They added that extra little flair and I love it. I think it's super cute, but either way, it's up to you. And to finish the eyes, don't forget mascara on your lower lashes. I'm gonna contour my nose. I'm going right down the sides of my nose to make it very slim, and then also focusing on the tip of my nose in a downwards triangle to really cut off the nose, lift it a little bit. I'm trying to get that cute little cartoon nose that she has, so doing this really defines the nose, and I love how it tied the whole look together. Then I'm gonna take a matte highlighting powder on my finger just to accentuate the tip of the nose. All right, for blush, I wanted something super really natural, barely there, but still give us some color. So I'm taking this right on the apples of my cheeks so it'll make my face rounder because she has a very round face. Going back to my bronzer, I'm gonna lightly dust in the hollows of my cheeks and also around my forehead for a little bit of definition, but you can see it makes a huge difference, but at the same time, it still looks unnoticeable, like it looks really natural, you know? You guys know the sitch. I love highlight. I couldn't go without highlighting. So I'm going to add a little bit of highlight so when you turn to the side, you have a little bit of a glow going on. When you look at Kim Possible, it looks like she has no bottom lip. Like you literally cannot see it. So I'm going to blank out my bottom lip with some foundation, and then I'm going to focus on my upper lip. So you can use concealer, foundation, anything you have just to mute out your bottom lip. So I'm gonna take a rosy brown lip pencil. Now her lip color is usually a darker brown or a lighter brown. And when you're doing this, make sure to fill in your cupid's bow and literally draw half of a circle because she has no cupid's bow. It's just straight across. And then I'm gonna fill it in with the lip pencil and stop there. If you're gonna use a lipstick, I would do a liquid so it stays, but this lip pencil is bomb. It's gonna move. She does have a little cartoon line underneath of her bottom lip that's non-existent, so I'm gonna add a little line in the center of my bottom lip, and then to finish the look, set it with a setting spray, and this look is snatched. All right, you guys, this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial. I love it. Like, I'm feeling like Kim Possible right now. I wanna go out somewhere and be like, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, join my A-team. Also, make sure those post notifications are turned on so you never miss a new video. As always, thank you for watching. Leave any other Halloween requests down below, and I will see you in my next video. I've gotta go fight some crime. That was cheesy. All right, I'm out.
Call me, beat me if you wanna reach me.